This is what justice looks like. 20 plus 3 years sentence handed down by Judge Burke this morning.
Judge sent a message today that this type of behavior is something that any potential offender is going to have to consider. The judge obviously took it seriously, which is exactly how we think he should have, and we're grateful.
No one thought we'd be here today. No one thought Harvey would ever see a courtroom. And even still, no one gave him more than 10 or 12 years. And when Judge Burke said 20, for the first time I can say, I feel a sense of happiness.
That sentence that was just handed down by this court was obscene. That number was obnoxious. That number spoke to the pressure of movements in the public. That number did not speak to the evidence that came out at trial. That number did not speak to the testimony that we heard. That number did not speak to evidence, nor did it speak to justice.
We are living in an age when women are no longer willing to suffer in silence. They are going to be courageous. They are going to be empowered, not just in New York, not just in the United States, but I'm feeling it many places around the world. But unless there's serious consequences for those who commit criminal acts against women, it will mean nothing. And now there are consequences to be remembered.
I hope that the sentence sends a clear message that times have changed and that more women need to speak out for themselves and that men and women need to speak out for each other. This is hopefully just the beginning, and the conversation must continue, and I thank you guys for continuing the conversation.